Students, today you will learn how to make negative and interrogative sentences for simple past tense sentences. Simple past tense is a verb tense used to describe actions that were completed at a specific point in the past. In English, it is typically formed by adding ed to the base form of the regular verbs, while irregular verbs have specific past tense forms. Examples of regular verbs are walk, walked, play, played, jump, jumped, and irregular verbs go, went, eat, ate, see, saw. These are the examples of simple past tense. She danced at the party last night. He finished his homework before dinner. They traveled to Europe during the summer vacation. Rules to convert simple past tense sentences into negative sentences. To convert a simple past tense sentence into negative sentence, use the auxiliary verb did not before the base form of the main verb. For example, she walked to the store. To convert this sentence into negative sentence, she didn't walk to the store. In this example, did not is added before the base form of the main verb walk to form negative sentence. To convert a simple past tense sentence into an interrogative sentence, invert the subject and auxiliary verb did and use the base form of the main verb. For example, they visited Paris last summer. Interrogative sentence is, did they visit Paris last summer? In this example, the subject they and auxiliary verb did are inverted to form the question. The base form of main verb visit is used after auxiliary verb. Key points to remember: auxiliary verb did. In both negative and interrogative forms of the simple past tense, auxiliary verb did is used. It's the past tense form of do. In negative sentences, not is placed after did to form did not. Inversion for questions. In interrogative sentences, the subject and auxiliary verb did are inverted. Base form of the main verb. In both negative and interrogative forms, the main verb always appears in its base form. Thank you for watching this video.